headed to the Devil's Punchbowl, located on the Oregon's coast, and it's north of Newport, Oregon. There's RV parking if you go down that direction. There's no turnaround if you come straight.
Oh, here it is. Devil's Punchbowl. Yeah. There's the arch.
I'm gonna hit the road to see what I can see. I'm gonna hit the road to be what I can be. I'm so tired of looking at this wall. I'm breaking free. I'm gonna do my thing. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm gonna do my thing.
Yaquina Head Outstanding Natural Area is where we're headed now.
And it looks like there's a fee. There's a guard house. What did the sign say? Outstanding?
Outstanding Natural Area.
That's the first time.
Not just a pretty natural area. This is
It's
an
an
outstanding
outstanding.
one. That's probably why they're charging to get in.
You think?
It's $10. I don't know why it's more. But
What do I do?
howdy.
You folks happen to have a national park pass or veteran
Yes.
ID? Okay, yeah, so I can take a look at one of those.
Veteran ID.
Perfect. You're all set to go then.
All right, thanks.
You guys.
Cool. So if you're a veteran,
You get in free.
and if you have a national park pass, you get in.
Free, yeah.
It's really foggy today, but it's a really pretty sight. There's seals, birds. It's really windy today. Here we are at the base of the lighthouse. The fog, you really couldn't see it until you got right up on top of it. It's a pretty lighthouse. So this lighthouse area, what was it called?
Yaquinas, I think. Yaquina's Head.
Yeah, animal viewing, whatever it said, outstanding. It really is really nice. It's definitely worth the stop. If you're a veteran or you have the National Park System pass, it's free. And then if not, for a vehicle, it's like $7, and it goes up from there
For 3 days.
for 3 days. So the lighthouse is currently closed on the inside. They're still finishing up some remodeling and some refurbishing that they did. So that should be opening later on this season. I'm not sure when it opens.
I don't think they know.
No, that's what I said. They didn't know. We talked to them. Today was really foggy, and the wind, it sounded like a blizzard in Ohio.
Yeah.
So, but it was fog. There was those birds, all kinds of birds on that one set of rocks, and you had the sea lions, and then there's a tide pool that you can go down and view. So there is quite a bit of wildlife here to see.
Well worth
So,
the stop.
Definitely worth the stop. So we definitely enjoyed coming here.
Yaquina's Head.
Yeah.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse and animal viewing area. So we were making fun of it that it said outstanding, but
Yeah, it kind of was.
but it was kind of outstanding. So I would like to see it maybe someday, not in the fog,
Yeah.
but
Nice sunny day.
nice sunny day.
Finished my install of the rock lights. You see one right here. Here's one. There's 4 of these mounted on each corner of the camper. They're LED, and we got them off Amazon. They were only like $35 or $40, and the wiring goes over here. There's a junction box, one for the ground and one for the hot. The ground is basically, or the hot one is basically a pair of studs, like a battery stud that the camper already had. That's the red, and then the ground goes to the chassis of the camper, the frame of the camper, and it's behind that box right there. And they just use a regular household electrical box, which I think I'm going to change that someday. But anyway, it's good for now. I mean, we're not going any place where it's going to be raining a whole lot. When we get back to Ohio, that'll probably change. But anyway, there's 4 rock lights, and they all look like this. Like I said, they don't take much electricity, and I really don't know how much they take. I got the lowest electric usage amount that I could, and that was only 4 rock lights, and they're all LED. They're not really super bright, but we put them on to keep animals out, like animals that'll chew on wires and things like that, rodents more than anything. Not that we've had a problem, but we don't want to ever have a problem, so this is like a prevention type move we did. It did come with a switch, and the switch is right here, and I can turn it on for you. You can see this is the daylight. They just change colors, and from what we understand, things like porcupines and rodents, they don't like changing colors, flashing colors, so they tend to stay away from them. That's what the theory is anyway. We'll see if that pans out for us. Basically, when we go to Alaska, that's going to be the big test of these. We've seen other videos of other YouTubers that went to Alaska, and they had porcupines come in and crawl and eat their wires. So we want to prevent that if we can. Anyway, we'll show you tonight what they look like in the dark. But anyway, here's another view of the rock lights. Some of the wiring, it goes clear back to the back of the camper. You have a control box, and you downloaded the app by taking a picture of that symbol there, whatever those things are called. Or you can use a switch, that's all we're doing, just switching them on and off manually. Or there is also a key fob remote you can use to control the rock lights. Like I said, we're just using the manual switch. It seems to work fine for us.
Here's the blue lights. It blends in with the blue lights from the rest of the camper. We also have green that we like. There's the red, and those are the 3 we mainly use. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.